Okay, because I'm not safe right here, sir. I am not safe right now. Don't touch me. Stop touching me. No, he's hurting me. I will put my hand on the wall.
That's your last name?
May 8th, 2022. An officer rolls up on a person jumping from a moving car call, only to find a white vehicle parked like it owned the road and an aggressive woman already auditioning for Loudest Yeller of the Year.
Excuse me. Here you go. I'm getting out of the car. Please help me.
She has my keys.
I took the keys out of a trunk. I'm coming. I'm going to grab my car. My stuff. Yes, I did. She's a communist and she hit me. I am out of control for that. You shouldn't arrest me for that. If I'm arrested, then talk to me. Then I'll come with you to the station.
She had reportedly gotten into a fight at a bar and even gifted a woman with a stylish spit.
So at least not drive. Get her an Uber home.
The only one that I see is intoxicated is you right now. Okay?
That's fine. Let her drive drunk. Let her drive drunk. Let her drive drunk.
Don't be walking anywhere.
Let her drive drunk.
31 here.
Let her drive drunk. That's on you. Dude, do you understand that she's
Man, come over here.
drunk?
Come back to the squad car.
Don't touch me like that.
I don't want you to get hit.
Don't touch me.
I don't want you to get...
I can walk. I'm very well okay to walk.
Walk back over here, then. Walk back over here.
I can walk.
Walk back over here.
I'm going to walk to the side of the road.
You're going to walk over to my squad car.
No, unless you got me under arrest. No, I'm not.
I'm going to detain you for your safety in a minute here. Because
okay, because I'm not safe right here, sir.
Someone's going to get hit.
I am not safe right now. Drive drunk.
Stop.
Do you understand that I called the cops?
You're going to get hurt.
Do you realize that I called the cops?
You're going to get one of the
That's my phone.
Do you understand?
Do you understand that I called the cops to my mom? And I took the keys from her? You're doing the wrong thing and you can't arrest me because I'll call Todd Cohen and Donahue and you're so don't with me.
Don't give me that.
Don't touch me. What is wrong with you?
Get in the car.
Are you serious?
You're now detained.
No, you're about to be detained because you want to know something. You're hurting me.
You're detained.
I didn't do anything.
You're detained.
Okay, are you going to keep touching my pits? Stop touching my boobs.
Oh, stop it.
Then get off of me, weirdo.
Stop. Put your arms behind your back.
What the f is wrong with you?
Put your arms behind your back.
No, I didn't do anything wrong.
Can I get some assistance out here?
Please. God, please. What is Stop touching me. Stop touching me or I'm going to sue the out of you. Is this worth
But you put your arms behind your back.
Your son and daughter?
You put your arms behind your back now.
You're so done.
Put your arms behind your back.
You don't know how done you are.
Put your arms behind your back. You're resisting. Stop it.
No, I'm not. I'm protecting myself.
Put your arms behind your back.
And I know the sheriff right here. So keep touching me.
Sure you do.
Are you serious? You're done.
You keep saying that, but you're still not cooperating.
If you touch me again, you're done.
Just stop it.
Touching me. Stop touching me.
I'm being nice right now.
I have not touched you, have I? Then don't touch me. I have not touched you.
You're going to get us killed in the middle of Route 31 here.
No, you're going to get yourself killed.
I told you.
Because I am just literally trying to help my mother, and you are touching me.
Get in the car.
No,
get in the car then.
No, I don't need to do anything. Dude, what is your problem? I'm suing you.
Get in the car.
I am suing you if you choke me one more time. I am suing you. Don't touch me. Do you have a reason to arrest me, sir?
Get in the car.
Do you have a reason to arrest me and choke me?
Yes,
and hurt me?
battery.
Yeah? You think so? Because you're battering me because I'm going to sue and charge you. Don't touch me.
She shrieked and squirmed like it was an Olympic sport, vowing to sue the ever-patient officer and demanding an audience with the police chief, earning herself a fast-track ticket to jail.
What is wrong with you, psychopath?
Fucking car.
I want the sheriff. Hello, please help. Please help.
Get in the car.
No, ma'am.
Get in the car.
I haven't done anything wrong. Go get his camera.
Okay.
I haven't touched him. And he's touching my boobs.
Would you help me
Bro. No. Listen, can you listen to me? Listen to me.
Ma'am.
Can you please listen to me one time?
Listen.
I don't give a I haven't touched you.
You just told me you battered her.
Don't ever touch my tits again.
I'm not touching your tits. Turn around.
Yeah, you're gonna break my wrist now? Are you serious?
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
For what?
Right now, aggravated battery to an officer.
Oh, really? Check your cameras.
Oh, turn away from me. Stay right here.
Okay. Is your battery on?
Get your foot off of me. Yes,
Okay.
this is being audio and video recorded.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Because you just hurt me.
Good. All right.
You're done, dude.
Have a seat.
Are you serious? Don't touch my face. Don't put your hand on my
turn
face.
towards me.
Stand by, seat.
I've never touched you to begin with. You touched me, remember?
You would not listen and comply.
Have a seat.
Because I don't need to. I didn't do anything.
Have a seat into the car.
better. You even admit
elbows. You're gonna
Stop resisting.
Dude, you
Stop grabbing a hold of me.
Nick,
Stop grabbing a hold of me.
I will
Your feet in the
you
squad
are
car.
hurting me.
And you are trying to hurt me. So
Oh,
put
really?
your feet in the car. Have a seat.
Let go of me.
You're under arrest.
Let
Put your
go of
feet
me.
in the car. Have a seat now.
No,
Put your feet in
No.
the car. Have
No.
a seat now.
I will not. You're hurting me. I asked you to please let go of my
Reset
arms.
one,
I'm
right,
short.
wrap up, right.
I am short. Do you understand how tall I am?
Charles too.
That's fine.
You still have one resistance.
That's fine. I'm not hurting or doing anything wrong.
I am the commander of the Crystal Lake Police
You're a
Department.
commander.
Put your
You're
feet in
smashing
the
my
squad
face
car.
into this too.
Put your
You're
feet
smashing
into
my
the squad
face.
car. See right here? Put your feet in there.
I
Have a
can't
seat
do
now.
that. Sir,
Put
can
your
I-
feet
sir,
in the squad car and
may I-
have a
can I
seat.
speak with you, please?
Put your feet in the
May
car.
I
In
speak
the
with you?
squad
You
car,
can do it
have
once
a
you get in the
seat.
car.
That's okay.
We can talk, but you have to get in the car first, okay?
I don't give a shit if I'm arrested, but I would like to talk to you.
Okay, we can talk.
Seek out Crystal Lake too if that was true.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Go in the car.
You
and
know
then we
what,
can
dude?
talk.
All I know is I'm gonna talk to Donahue, and this.
That's
dude,
fine.
you
That's
were-
fine. In the meantime, you need to have a seat.
Cohen and Donahue, and you want to know something, dude?
Have a seat in the car. We can talk then.
Yes, we
Alright,
can talk.
Have a
that's
seat
alright.
in the car.
We can talk, but you have to get in the car
Fine,
first.
let go of me.
We will.
I
once
can
you
get.
set
I'm
it.
very well capable
Okay,
of getting in the
have a
car, and I have
seat.
lupus.
Okay.
And you are
Start
hurting me.
down the seat.
Okay.
Stop.
We're just holding on to your hands and your arms.
Sir,
Have a
are
seat
you
in
the
the
sheriff?
squad car.
No, we're Crystal Lake. Just
Have
have
a
a
Can
seat.
you ask him
in the
to let his
squad
hands
car.
off me, and I will get in the car?
She went full feral, clawing the officer with her nails and kicking like a wind-up toy. Cooperation clearly not on the menu.
Let go of my hand now.
Or what?
We're going to put you in a restraint
Where
device called
is
the
the
wrap.
sheriff?
Just so you know, okay? We're
I
going to
want.
put you in a
I'm waiting for
restraint
the sheriff
device.
because I haven't done
called
a thing wrong, and I'm an American sovereign citizen.
Have
and I
a
haven't
seat in the squad car, Samantha.
Be mad.
Samantha, have a seat in the squad car.
Be mad, dude.
Have a seat.
I haven't done anything wrong. That's why you guys are cowards and you can't do anything.
Have a seat in the squad car,
And you aren't.
Samantha.
You aren't. You're a good person.
Okay, just do me a favor.
No, I
Get in
don't
the
need
car.
to.
Okay.
I haven't done anything wrong.
All right, go talk to them.
Go
And
sit
you
in the car.
wanna, you know where we're at this as a
All right,
country
we're
right
going to
now?
back away. There's a
As
TNT
the
right
country,
there.
yeah, that's right.
What's going on
Let me
there?
talk to a boss. I haven't done wrong. And you wanna know why you got in a fight? Because she headbutted me and she said she was a communist and she was everybody's in the communist.
I saw it on video.
So be very mad at me for being an
She's
American.
bleeding on her elbow just enough wide. Roger.
Yeah, from your great officer. So this is what being American looks like.
All right.
Do you understand that?
Go from this side?
It's sad.
Yeah, I
I'm
guess
weak
so.
for this.
Well, the only
very
problem
sad.
is Myers all the way up.
Let
go of
go
my
of
hand.
me, you're hurting
Do not grab my hand. Do you understand me?
Don't
Do not put your nails
touch me.
into my
I don't
hand.
have nails.
Do not.
Stop touching me.
Do not grab my hand.
Can you please help me?
Okay.
No, you let him go.
Have a seat.
Get in the car.
Have a seat.
Come
Have a
I'm
seat
waiting
in
for
the
the
squad
sheriff.
car. The sheriff's not coming.
Oh, now she's kicking.
Got her hands one for one. Make sure the rear camera's on for me.
Hey, I don't know what your name is. Are you gonna cooperate
I
with us?
don't know who you are, but I know that you shoved my face into that door for a reason.
I'm the sergeant.
I don't want to talk to you.
I don't care. I'm the sergeant.
Okay.
Are you going to cooperate with us? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, because if you don't, then we're going to take
I'm
you straight
calling
to
my
county.
lawyer.
Great. We're going to take you straight to county instead of.
Cool, and they're going to let me out, and you're going to have to do a whole
No,
bunch of
they're
paperwork.
not.
Do you understand that I'm a
You're
felon?
getting-
I have been through the system, and guess what? I'm telling you that not because I'm cocky.
You're another one tonight, too.
Because
You're getting another felony tonight.
Good luck, dude. Good
Oh, you're getting two of them
luck.
actually.
You want to know something? Good luck. I don't have to say. Dude,
don't want
my
you-
makeup is on your car.
Tired of hearing you talk
My
anyway.
makeup is on your car.
Okay.
My makeup is on your car.
So listen, we're just going to.
I don't like you.
I don't care.
I'm not going to touch anybody.
Good.
I don't need to touch anybody like you.
So
Unlike you,
we're gonna
I don't
do-
need to hurt other people
We're
to
going to
make
get you
myself
out.
feel better.
Okay, we're going to get you
Yeah,
out.
I know that. Because guess what? You have no other way to hold me. It's not your thing.
Fingerprint
It's
you?
called the law, bruh. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.
No, we need to get you out.
Oh, you think you're so cool? No, you're not getting me out. If you could, you would have me in prison. But you can't because you're a loser
we're gonna
that
get you-
smashed my head. And guess what? I'm going to get you sued.
Put you back in.
I'm
there.
putting you.
Come on in. We're going to take you.
Do you want to know you're so sued?
Come on.
Touch me again. I dare you.
on.
Keep hurting me.
Come on.
Keep hurting me. I cannot wait to sue you. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Look at my elbows from these guys. And I haven't done. That's why they're letting me go, man. You sure? Yes. That's actually, I can do that. Can you get his arm off me? Because I have dirty me.
Yep.
Stop touching me.
There you go.
Right.
What's your name?
Stay right there.
What's your name?
Dude, honestly, I'm done with this.
What's your name?
Have him stop grabbing me like that.
I don't know what your name is. What's your name?
I'm not giving you it. I don't have to. I'm not arrested.
right.
I am not arrested.
Take care of it. Search her, please.
Stop touching me. I'm not doing this all day, dude. Because I'm going to sue the out of this county.
Sounds
I'm
good.
done,
Put
dude.
your hand on the wall.
No, I have the lupus and he's honestly hurting
Put your
me.
hand on the wall.
I will do that if you ask me to.
We asked you to 5 times.
No, he's hurting
Okay, well, just
me.
hold your
I
hand
will
on the
put my
wall.
hand on the wall.
That's all I need you to do.
Do you understand that? Like,
Stay there.
you
Hand on the
see
wall.
this guy?
Even in jail, she kept up her tough girl act, glaring at police with a face that screamed fierce and fearless, or maybe just constipated.
Look, hand on
Dude,
the wall.
I will literally put my hand on the wall.
Just put your hand on the
I
wall.
can only go this far.
Okay, there you go. There you go.
Dude,
Easy
I
enough.
can't do that.
Easy enough.
Do you have anything on you?
Do you understand? Like, I don't want problems.
Do you have anything on
Okay,
you?
I understand.
Again, absolutely no. Except my
Take your shoes off.
American
Hey.
sovereign
You gotta
citizen
take your
right.
shoes off, okay?
No, I don't want to hurt anyone's feelings. That's like the business that I'm in is actually not hurting anyone's feelings.
Well, you want to start again? I don't know what your
Take
name
your
is.
socks. Here, we gotta take your rings off, okay? Gotta take your rings off.
Get
Right
it? Can you
there.
please get him away from
You
me?
gotta I will. You
He
gotta take-
smashed my lip for
I
no
understand.
reason.
You gotta
I'm
take those
over
rings
it.
off, okay?
Please, can you just go away? Your officers
no.
have me here.
So, look, you gotta take your rings off, put them in here, okay?
Am I arrested?
Yes, you are under arrest.
Oh, okay, for what?
I don't listen out there. I'm
Okay,
just
but
here.
unless I know what I'm being...
battery to a police
Can you please tell me what I'm arrested
2
for?
counts of aggravated battery to a police officer.
I haven't touched anybody yet.
Okay, let's just get through this, though.
Sir?
Let's just get through
Sir.
this. Can you please take
I
your
have
rings
not
off?
touched anyone.
Samantha, can you please take your rings
Yes,
off?
but if you could tell me why.
I will explain it to you as soon as you take off your property, okay? We have to get those rings off you.
Fine, you're doing your job, I understand. Castrated men
Okay, well, let's just...
touching me.
Okay, let's... all the rings, okay? 2.
Weirdo creep, dude.
The other one right there on your finger.
Go get
Right there.
remarried, back.
Hey, right there.
And she's kind of
Hey,
hot.
hey, right there. Hey, that one too.
Why don't you, like,
No,
talk
no.
to her?
Take this off.
She's cute.
Take this
That one
off.
right there.
You know what? She's a got bigger energy than you, so you couldn't handle that. Amen to you. You're a queen.
Okay, all right.
I'm being dead ass serious. You're beautiful.
Okay, all right. What? Is
That's
that,
a fact,
can you get that
though.
nose ring out?
Take
No,
that
I really can't.
Can't take it out?
No, you unless you have like actual.
You're arrested for 2 counts of
I know, but
aggravated
have you
battery.
seen any count of it on camera?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Because I'm pretty sure. Alright.
What is that from?
Come here, your sheriff there.
What happened?
Your sheriff shoving me into a car door.
Who did?
The inside of a car door, by the way. Your sheriff. And I cannot wait to call my lawyer. Can I call my lawyer?
Yeah, you can in just a second. Give us 1 second.
Because you know that I don't belong in here at all.
Cell 3.
You want to know that I called you guys also? Him. I called him.
gotta go in
Okay,
here.
I'm
Okay,
going.
cell 3.
But also, sir,
We gotta go in
I'm
cell
going in. I don't give a
Thank you.
But also, you know what though?
Come.
Sir, I'm going to...
No, thank you.
question.
Shut it. We're not
All
talking.
right. Thank you.
Really cool.
Thank you, miss.
I'm just here to get you information.
I mean, I guess.
It's Samantha, right?
I guess.
Your first name?
Are you a cop? I guess. Oh, it says that.
Last name? Last name? Last name? That's your last name? Okay. You don't want to give me anything? Okay. So just Samantha. Alright, sounds good.
I'm calling my lawyer.
Sounds good. Samantha?
She then went for equal opportunity offense, spewing vulgarities at both male and female officers like it was her day job.
Samantha, we're gonna get you out of here, okay?
That's right, you are.
All right. Well, look.
And I'm not going to touch you.
Okay. All right.
That's
Okay. We're gonna send complaints up there after you get. Samantha, look. Listen to me. Okay.
I'm angry.
I know, but not at me. I know. Not at me though.
Well, I'm not
All right,
doing
Samantha.
anything
Look.
to resist.
All right. What I need you to do is just put your hands back behind your back. Hey, turn around. Okay.
I'm Jen. Hi, Jen.
Okay, turn around. Put your hands back.
I trust this.
Okay. All right. Good. Look, right here. Right there.
This is your fucking sheriff. Please tell me it's your sheriff. You know that I actually like you.
You do, really? You got a funny way of showing it.
Yeah, total love.
Oh, well, hey.
He wants to make sure. That's nice. That's nice. I'm not gonna do anything weird, dude. I'm getting out. What am I gonna bust out of getting out?
Right.
Here. Don't.
Look,
Dude.
look, look. Hey, look.
It hurts.
So make sure
I don't
you're
get,
comfortable,
ma'am,
okay?
honestly, please just go away. I'm not trying to be rude to you,
Guess
but
what?
I'm angry and it doesn't deserve to be taken out on you. You're a beautiful young lady.
Likewise.
Okay?
We're gonna
Literally,
get-
and everything that I say, I don't mean to you.
Thank you for the
Honestly.
preface. Good people have been really mean to me
Dude,
today.
I'm not trying to be mean to you. You're gorgeous, you're sweet.
Likewise.
You don't
We're gonna
deserve
be
it.
stuck together for the next little bit
That's
of time.
fine. I don't want to be mean to you, so I'm telling you.
Likewise.
All right, well,
I'm very cooperative.
I got you.
she's gonna slip those out of the way.
Okay.
Dude, I'm not getting out of anything, because guess what? You're letting me out. Anyways.
I know, that's why we have to go, Samantha. We're just gonna go over here, okay?
You are so sweet and cute. You guys better treat him well.
Yeah, I had him
That's
double.
the way we should.
I had him double because she's skinny arms, but
Be good.
she'll be
You're
okay.
cute and sweet and innocent. Don't be bad.
I don't know if that's...
Oh my god. Look at all these kids. I'm not doing anything. I'm hearing you. I'm telling you. You understand that I'm not I'm not gonna run away. I know what. Listen, I'm not doing anything. And also, you're done.
Okay. Come on in. Careful. Big jump.
Oh, hang on. Guess what? Me jumping in by myself was better than what your officer did. With my face makeup on his window still, I'm sure.
I'm gonna get the heat on for you in a second, all right?
Castrated upper. Goodbye.
Ultimately, she ended the night with 2 official prizes, resisting arrest and battery upon a peace officer,